I want to show you how to do the outline in eccentric weaving. So here I've done it already here, and now up here I've woven little shapes. So the key to keeping in the right shed is to always start in the correct shed. So like for example, we finished, if you think of your sheds as shed A and shed B, we finished here in shed B. So this means we always want to start in shed A. You can see how this is the correct shed, which should apply all the way across because I've always started in shed A, and when I finish up here, I'm in shed B. So I'm going to try to build this up so that it's almost even. So what you're going to find when we get over here is this is going to, and maybe here too, you're going to have what's called lice. And what lice is that warp showing through, and we don't want that. But we can handle that when we get over there. So I'm going to start over here. I'm going to weave back and forth a little bit to build this section up. And remember, when you're weaving eccentrically, you want to leave plenty of weft because you're not always going to be perpendicular, and that's going to make your weaving want to like pooch out. So here I'm weaving across now. I think that's going to be okay. And you can see where this isn't perpendicular, it's going at a diagonal. That's why you need a lot more weft in there. So I'm going to keep going, and you can see that I'm still in the correct shed. Now here, I think I'm going to have a problem. So what I'm going to do there is I'm just going to go around that once, and that will help cover that warp that wants to show through. And here, I'm going to have to do some more because it's quite revealed there. And we don't want that. You could do this later, just stitch around with a needle, but it's easier to do it now as you're weaving across. As one of my tapestry teachers said, there's no such thing as cheating in tapestry. So what you want to do is try to make it work. And this isn't covering like I want it to. You can see how this is hanging out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around in the opposite direction, and I think that will capture it better. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going along here in an eccentric fashion. So my weft is going up and down, up and down. And I'm leaving plenty in my shed. So now I'm down here. Again, I'm having a problem with that one warp because it's going to be so revealed. So I'm just going to go down here and go around a couple times. So the reason I'm taking this out is I didn't like how that was wrapping around. So I'm going to go around a couple of times because it's just so far down there. Okay. So now I'm ready to go change my shed and go back. But I think in this area, see again, I have all that on that one warp that's kind of exposed. So I'm going to weave a wrap around here a little bit. Okay, so now I'm ready to go back. And again, I should still be in the same or the correct sheds from the last time. So down here, if I wanted to build that up more at this time, I could have done that. But now I'm just going to go back to the other side. I might build up over here a little bit until I finally get an even line.